Hey friends, if you wish to know about the signs of RAM failure and how to check faulty RAM, then please watch this video. First of all, I should clarify that if the RAM has actually deteriorated beyond a certain stage, you will start facing blue screen of death errors on your computer and they will not be easy to resolve. And the second thing is that you can also check it otherwise if it is at the failing stage. So search for Task Manager in the Windows search bar and open Task Manager. Now go to the Processes tab on the list on the left hand side, and in the right pane click on Memory. So memory means RAM, okay. Random access memory is RAM, and we use the generator memory for it. Just check that the graph here, don't use any other application at that point of time, definitely not any other game. And check the graph here, is it rising and falling like abruptly, or is it just going beyond the roof? If that is the case, then it means that you are short of RAM, okay. And if it shows any inconsistent data here, then that can be an issue as well, like you are not using anything but it is still using the entire RAM. In that case, it can be a problem, okay. Also go to the Processes tab on the list on the left hand side, and then this section is the memory section. Is it constantly hitting 100%? If yes, then either your RAM is faulty or your RAM is less than required. One more thing that you can try is to run the Windows Memory Diagnostic tool. So search for Memory Diagnostic in the Windows search bar and open Windows Memory Diagnostic. Click on Restart Now and check for problems. This will actually check for problems. And what should you do if the RAM is less or the RAM is failing? In that case, just go to any website of your choice like amazon.com or anything, and you can, okay, I will type this here, CUBHYT, okay, and then you can buy a RAM. So if you have a DDR4 or DDR3 RAM, check it accordingly and buy it from here. It isn't very expensive, just $50 or something for a 32 GB kit. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.